Kevin, business owner, public speaker, and most importantly, a father. The other day, I was doing this large meeting with a lot of people, and this young lady in the audience stated that I went to college and they didn't teach me what I needed to live life. And so I thought to myself, I said, you know, we have to change the things and people that we're questioning. See, we don't question college, but they charge us $20,000 to $30,000 a year, and they charge us all these high fees, but we don't question that. But we question successful people who've experienced success and know what it takes to get there. So I challenge you to do this. This series is going to focus on what they don't teach you in college, but really think about this before we leave. You have to stop listening to society and start listening to success. Because now we're coming to a part of society where we're not listening to success anymore, and we're just going and getting a college education. So I ask you to do this. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you want to stay tuned in so you can get more information about how to be successful in America.